first reaction video na gagawin ko, at ang gagawin ko ay ang BINI, yung kanta nila recently na Blink Twice. And yun, medyo maingay sa background kasi may umiiyak na bata. But let's go, let's get started. Alam mo yung intro nila, ang maganda yung intro nila, no? Nafe-feel ko sa kanila para silang yung mga naunang K-pop, yung damitan nila dito, parang ganun. Ganda ni Maloy dito. Ganda nilang lahat, in fairness. Ang ganda nung love part. Yung laboratory-ish, ang ganda.
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it. So baby, it's common sense.
Disclaimer lang, hindi ko kilala lahat ng member ng BINI. I just remembered some of the names. Yung itong nauna, ang ganda niya, no?
Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine.
Let's have some fun with it, cause you know I'm running it.
Si Sheena ay, as far as I remember, nanggaling siya ng, ng PBB. Ganda ni Malo.
I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like that, that.
Biglang umulan.
If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe I don't.
Ang ganda ng nice. Paano? Ang ganda.
Add a little spice if you're trying to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice.
Kulit ang ganda niya
If you
dito,
like me,
ha?
blink twice.
Hey guys.
He's not even thinking about me.
Yung red na hair, si Mika yun, no? Si Mika yung may red na hair. Ang ganda nilang lahat.
Maybe he's just looking at me.
Got me going crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me, yeah, you better amaze me.
I'm at this spot, baby, tell me, are you ready?
Di ba sabi nila, merong part dito na ano nga yun? Ang ganda ng visual, ah.
Or not,
Don't you leave me waiting. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world. You got that symphony. Like that, that. If you
Ulitin nga natin yung part na yun. I-playback nga
leave me
natin.
waiting. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world. You
Ganda ni
got
Colette.
that symphony. Like that, that.
Ang cute
If you like
ganun
it,
effect, ah.
are you naughty or nice?
Ganda ni Sheena.
Maybe add a little spice if you're trying to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. You.
Ang ganda. Tumabay yung ulan, no?
Really like me, baby, then just blink twice. If you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me, blink twice. Are you
Ulitin natin, playback natin yung ano.
looking at me? If you really like me, baby, then just blink twice. If you really
Ganda.
like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me, blink twice. Are you
Ay,
naughty or nice?
nice.
Maybe add a little spice if you're trying to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If
Ang ganda na. Ang ganda ng ano nila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sila, no? 8 silang bloom.
Feel like we blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking
Parang,
at
alam mo yung sobrang fresh ng vibe, pero medyo, basta ang cute, tas ang fresh ng vibe.
me. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Ang cute ng ang cute ng parang eyes, tapos may logo ng blooms. Ng bini pala.
He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Ito ang cute oh. Yung may flower, tas may
Maybe he's
Ganda.
just looking at me.
blink twice. Ang ganda nung nila, tapos na. Pero ang ganda, nakikita ko lang sila dati, no? Yung honest opinion ba, nagustuhan ko, di ba nag-trending sila dun sa may Pantropiko? Tapos, ang ganda ng vibe nila ngayon. Uy, sobrang happy ako for them. Tapos, kasi nag-bloom na yung, nagbunga na yung nila. Yung pinaghirapan nila. Tapos, sobrang fresh ng vibe. Tapos, gusto ko yung visual, tugma dun sa may kanta. So, ang ganda talaga ng Siguro, ulit-ulitin ko itong mamaya. Meron pala silang merch, no? Meron silang mga merch dito eh. So, yun lang guys. Di ko alam. Paano ba? First time ko kasi mag-react, so please bear with me. Tapos, ayun, more on reaction video yung gagawin natin dito sa channel na to. So, ayun guys, thank you for watching. Bye!